Okay, yesterday you revised the chapter 2. We given the schedule, that is 5 to 8 for preparation for the chapter 2, and 8 to 9 is a break for you. Then 9 to 10 or 10 to 11 also, it's up to you. Prepare for the program wise. What are the programs which is given in the homeworks, given as a homework, as well as the practice session? We discussed many programs. Have you discussed these things? Have you go through the that is, done your revision as per our plan, or do you have any pending work pending in the yesterday's thing? May I know that?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, you prepared well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good, very good. That is a good thing. Okay, what about others? Selvaram, okay, what about others? Okay. Okay, pa. I hope you are all will prepare that. Okay, let I go to the. We will do some revision thing. Okay, have you seen this this program? Have you prepared this revision this paper, yesterday's thing? It is available in our website also. Have you gone through this? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Okay, let me see this. I'm always expecting, at least today you don't have any other job. That is the important thing. Please download that question papers, all the question paper, sample papers, materials from our website. Okay, kindly go through it. Once your class is completed means, of course, 1 o'clock it is completed. 2 o'clock if you start means, you start your work means, of course, today you have exam. Once you completed exam, then start your preparation. That is very much important. Let me see this, the code. Rewrite the following code after removal of all errors. That is syntax error they given. First line, whether any error is there, 30 equal to 2. Any error is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is the error? How to rewrite? You take the entire first question itself. What are the errors are there?
equal to.
No, first line, 2 want to come this left hand side.
Left hand side and 3 has to come to the
Yes.
right hand side.
30 want to come to this side. Okay. Then far mention in capital letter, isn't it? So that
Yes,
should
sir.
be
And
in.
it should be small.
Yes, good.
And
then
that K should be also small, because small K is referred in all the things.
yes, in print statement we use it as small k, but in for loop we given capital K. So that is a wrong.
That
Very
should
good.
be changed to small
Yes.
K.
And the range
After
function.
range, dots.
Colon.
Colon. Yes, not semicolon. Colon want to be there. Good. And next line, if should be in
caps. Small.
It want to be small. Okay. Then print statement.
And the
P
print
should
statement,
be,
it should come under if.
Yeah.
Indentation
No,
error.
The indentation error, and moreover P should be in small. That is also one of the error.
Yes,
Good. And else also E should be in. Yes.
E is small and P should be in small.
Good. Okay, good. Then these are all things, and you can see this. What will be the output? Predicted output. Predict the output of the following. Each carries 1 mark. Count equal to 0 while count less than 10. Print hello. Count plus equal to 1. What will be the output? The second A question, highlighted question.
Can you guess? Print 9 times hello.
9 times, no, 10 times no. 0 onwards. 0 to 9 no. First count value is 0.
Yes,
so then hello will be printed. Okay. Then count value will be increased by 1. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So plus 0 times. So totally hello will be printed 10 times. That is the output. Okay. Then here, second one, x comma y equal to 10 comma 0 while x greater than y, print x comma y. Okay. Then x equal to x minus 1, y equal to y plus 1. What will be the output? First we will check the condition while x 10 greater than 0, condition
9,
true.
1.
Yeah, yes. 10 0. Then next
9 1 8 2.
9 1 8 2 7 7 3 like
3.
This goes. Yeah, 7 3 6 4
6 5.
6 5.
So 6 4.
No,
6 4.
As you said, correct. 6 4. So, yeah, 6 4.
Yes,
then 5
5 5.
Yes.
No, sir, that's all.
No, that will not. Yes, because it is the when the condition x greater than y, then only it will print no. Correct. So 6 comma 4, that is 6 4 only printed. After that, the loop will be failed to print. That is execute. Okay, good answer. And let you check this one. C question. Kg equal to true. Just a variable x equal to 100. Okay, while kg print x equal to x minus 10 if x greater than 50, kg equal to false. First let me check this. Kg equal to true condition, while kg means whether kg is true or not, it will checking, or kg
True.
contains some value or not, it will checking. Definitely it is true. So first to print x. What is the x value?
100.
100 will be printed. Correct. Then x equal to x minus 10. Now what is the x value? 90.
90.
Okay, if x less than 50, if x less than 50, that is 90 less than 50 means kg equal to false. Okay, but condition is true. If condition is true,
No, sir.
no, then what will happen? Again loop will be executed.
Again the loop will start.
Yeah, kg is
Then
true
it
or
will be
not?
90.
Yes, 90, then x value will
Then
be
80.
80. That's all. Then again
70.
condition is false. 70 will be printed. 60 will be
50.
printed. Yeah, of course.
50
Whenever
up to
x
40.
value is 50 also will be printed. Pa.
Up to 40,
Isn't
sir.
it? Yeah. No. No, it is not. 50 also not printed. That is correct. 50 will not print. For example, 100 is printed, 90, 80, 70, 60. So whenever x value is 60 means 60, then it will print it. Whenever x value will be 50 means, okay, what will happen? 50 less than 50. Condition? False, no.
False.
So condition false means kg value will be changed. That is false. Okay, then come to the while loop. While kg is false, no. So the loop will be terminated or stopped. So what will be the output? 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. Isn't it? Correct, no? So this is the output.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear children, I am saying this type of questions will be asked in the board exam. Okay, so you want to prepare for that. What you need? You need the concept. Okay, you want to good at concept, how the loop will be executed, what is the syntax. So for that you need to practice. That's what I'm saying. Manually you want to practice. Okay, very good. You are answering very nice. Rest of the students also please answer it. You can see this D question. X equal to 45 while x less than 50 print x. What will be the output?
Sir, infinite loop, sir.
Infinite loop, because we didn't give what? We didn't give updation, right? So updation fail
Yes,
means
sir.
what will time? X value is 45 pa. So 45 less than 50, condition true, 45 will be printed. Again loop will be 45 less than 50. Yes, condition true, 45 will be printed. Again and again the same execution will be goes as infinity time. So what's your answer means? First to 45 you want to write. Just to 45 only you want to write. Output should be very exactly you want to write, dear children. Okay, first to 45. Then second line 45, third line 45, fourth line, just write 4 lines. Okay, then you put dot. The loop will be it is an infinity loop. The loop is not terminated because updation statement is missed. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, like this you want to write. And next we go for the E question. Okay, for x in list 1, 2, 3, 4 is a list. Print x. What will be the output? For E question 2E.
So this is also infinite, sir.
How it is infinite, dear?
Sir, because sir, the list contains 4 elements, sir,
Yeah.
and we are choosing X, sir. So it one will choose. It will choose first, then
Yes.
execute,
Okay.
then 2, then 3, then 4. Then why can't 1 again, sir?
No, not it is not. That's why I'm coming to it. The loop will be executing in the sequence. Executing a sequence. What is the sequence? The sequence is a list. Correct? No. So
Yes,
how
sir.
the list is indexed based on index. So definitely, as you said, first it will take the 0 index element, then 1, then 2 second element, then third element index. then the list is completed, it executed all the sequences, no, all the elements, no, it won't take it again. Okay, that is the reason the for loop syntax is made for that, like that. Okay, it will take the each and every element sequence by sequence, then once all the elements are completed, all the elements it is taken means, then it will be stopped. So what is the output? 1, then second line true, that is very important. Second line 2, third line 3, fourth line you want to write 4. 1 2 3 4 only, but in this vertical order. Okay, let me see this one for F question. You can see this for P in range 1 comma 10, print P. These are very tricky questions. By seeing that they can answer it, but I want your answer. How you understand that? I want to know it. Can you say?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. That is the point. That's the trick they kept. 1 comma 10 they given. Okay. What is the thing? What is the question paper setter? How they will think? No. The E question 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 will be printed. And F question 1 comma 10. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 likewise up to 9 10 also they will write. Once they return 10, the answer entire answer will be wrong. Okay, they will put one strikeout. That's they are waiting for that. Okay, so you have to very carefully write 1 to 9 only, because 10 is in upper range. That is the thing. So here you understand now why I am saying the word concept means. Have you understood how the concept is
Yes.
useful to understand? So if you know upper limit is not executed, if you keep in mind, then only you can write it. Or else by seeing, even me also too, if I didn't read the question properly, what I will do, 1 comma 10, then 1 to 10 just to print it, because previous answer we done like that. No, that likewise. Okay, so let you see here for G question for Z in range minus 500 100. What is the value? Range is start from minus 500. Note down. Maximum
Minus
limit is
500.
500. Yes.
Minus 400, minus 300,
Yes.
minus 200, minus
Yes.
hundreds, 0,
Yes.
100, 200, 300, 400.
Very good. Very good. Up to 400. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Up to positive 400 will print. That is 0. That is very important. That is the question. Okay. Because somebody they will think minus 100, then 100 they will go immediately. Okay. It is a concept. Very good. You can see this H question. Okay, x comma y equal 10 comma 5. Okay, for I in range, here one error is there. Actually, small I. Okay, that is the error. If the question is asked, it means you can write error. The grace mark they will provide. Or maximum you write. Try to not only my questions in board exam also. If any, you know that.
Sir, even one more error.
What are the error? What's the error?
Z is not defined, sir.
That is not defined. That is also a problem. Yes, these are all the errors are there. So you have to, if you cannot execute that program, means just write the error, the question having error. Okay, because they asking what? Predict the output. Okay, then you have to write the answer. What is the answer for H question?
Sir, variable error and that Z is
Name.
not
Yeah, that's what I'm coming to real. Actually, what is the question there? What is the indentation? Means whether the student know the types of error or not. In order to check the concept, they given this question. What are the error? You said variable. Variable is named as what? I mean, how we are saying it is a name error. Type of errors are there? No. Name error, syntax error, likewise. Key error in dictionary. Okay. So here what is the thing? I is not defined. Okay, first thing. Second is, as you said, Z is not defined. What is Z? We don't know. XY value, okay, X value 10, Y value 5. That is minus Y they given. Not an issue. Minus 5 into Z. What is Z? We don't know. Okay, so I is Z and I name error. You want to write what's your answer? Means name error. Z and I is not defined. Okay, that should be your answer. If the answer is right, you return means definitely you get the good 1 mark. Okay, that's what they are expecting in their key answer also. In evaluator, they having the key answer. No, in the thing the same line will be returned as answer. If the answer is there, means they will give the 1 mark. Okay, that's the thing. And I question here, you see, C equal to 0 for X in range of 10, for Y in range of 5. They are using nested loop. let you see what will be the output. C value 0, X value it will execute from 1 to 9, good. Okay, sorry, 0 to 9 it will execute. For Y in range of 0 to 4 it will execute. C plus, that is then
Sir, it will
iteratable.
be 50, sir. Answer will be 50.
How it is? Can you say? Explain
Sir,
to.
first we are taking X in range 10, sir.
Okay,
So it
0
will
will be
start from
taken.
0 to 9. So 10
Yes.
values. For
Okay.
0,
No.
in the 0 iteration, we are taking again range as 5. So 5 times the iteration will happen. So
Yes.
C value will be 5.
Okay. First time C value will
For
be
the
5.
outer loop, 0, sir. So
Yes.
then 1 again 5.
Yes. 10 times the
Then
outer loop
like
will
that
be
10 times
executed.
will be, sir.
Inner loop 5 times. So 10 into 5, 50. Right. Correct. Very good, Selvaram. Superb. I really appreciate you. What about rest of the students? Did you understand the I questions? 2I.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. Very good. Very good. So let me go to the next one. J question. You can see this highlighted one. X equal to, it's a list. Okay, 1, 2, 3. C equal to 0. While C less than len of X. What is C value? 0. What is len of X? 3. Okay. 0 less than 3. Condition true. Then what will happen? Print X of C. What is C value? 0. What is X of 0? X is a
1.
list, no? Yeah, 1 will be printed. Then with the percentage. Okay, 1 into, it will show what?
Sir, here error, sir.
Correct, that's what. It show error because X of C is what type of data? It is an integer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
1 is
That
mentioned, you
will
can
be
see.
string.
Yeah, suppose I am making this. Now I will just modify it for your understanding. Everybody's understanding. Now suppose what will be the output? 1 is a string. Now it is mentioned in a single quote, no? Single or double quote, no? So now 1 is a string data type. X of 0 is 1. That should be a string. String into, what is the thing?
String.
String into string. Is it possible?
No, sir.
Very good. String replication, what will happen? String into integer. That is string replication. Here also string concatenation. Suppose instead of multiplication symbol, if they given plus symbol means, that is addition symbol, concatenation symbol means it is okay. That is what will happen. 1 plus, that is 1 is a string, 1 plus percentage symbol, 1%, it will be get printed. Good, good, very nice. Have you understand? So it will show error. What type of error? We cannot multiply with, we cannot replicate. You want to write, we cannot replicate with int with string. We cannot replicate int with string. That should be your error. Okay. First while itself fail. Then for loop will not execute. The for loop will not execute because this statement it will showing error. No. Have you understood? So it won't go for the for loop. So you just write only one error. That is enough. Okay, that's the thing. Good. And K question, let you see. X equal to 1. Okay, Y equal to 2. C equal to 0. Y. C less than len of X. What is len of X? 3. Isn't it? So 0 less than 3. Condition true. Print X of C, comma Y of C. What will be the output? First one. You can say, let you see that. What will be the output of entire thing? X of
Sir,
C is
X
what?
value 1 and
Sir, error.
Sorry,
Error,
Chandru.
Sir, X value 1 தான் சார் போட்டிருக்காங்க.
ONE, it is a ONE, it is a string data type, no? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So what is the length of X?
3.
3.
0,
Okay,
1,
correct.
2.
No. So C value is 0. Let you come to this while loop. While C value is 0, no, 0 less than len of X. Len of X is what? 3. So 0 less than 3. Condition true, no. Condition true only, no. Chandru.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
then
sir.
you come to this thing, print X of C. What is X? C value is what? 0. X of 0 is what?
0.
Hey, Ora.
Sir,
X.
oh,
Sir,
sorry,
it is given like a string, sir.
Yes, it is a string. So no, what's the problem? String slicing is there, no pa. X of 0 is what? X of 0 is O. ONE is there, no O. Okay, comma, Y of 0, oh, sorry, Y of C. That is C value is 0. Y of C is what? Y of 0 is what?
T.
T. Okay, 0, sorry, OT first will, it will print OT. Okay, then C value will be iterated. That is C plus equal to 1. Now C value is what? What is C value now? 1. So again come to the while loop. While 1 less than ln of x, 1 less than 3, condition true. Again what will happen? X of C, Y of C. What is X of 1? X of 1 is what?
N.
N. Y of 1 is what?
W.
W. Okay, then C value will be iterated. Now C value is 2. 2 less than 3, that is come to the while condition. Okay, 2 less than 3, condition true. Condition true means again you come to these things. Y of C, X of C, E, O, right?
E, O,
Correct. Then
O, O. 0.
how it is O, man? E, O only, no?
O 0, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
E, O only, no?
So Y C O.
Yeah. X value, X of C is what? X of 2. Indexing, don't confuse with that. Indexing 0, 1, 2. What is the second index of X? E, no? O-N-E.
Yes.
Okay. Y of 2 is what? O. So E, O will be printed. C value again will be get iterated. Then C value is 3. 3 less than 3. That is C value is 3. Ln of X is 3. 3 less than 3. Condition false. The loop will be terminated. So what is the output? O, T, N, W, E, O. That is the output. Have you understood, Pa?
Yes.
Okay, let me come to this. This you already written in one exam. I still remember it. You can see this. For N in, it's a list. Jaya, Ramya, Taruna, and Suresh. These are the given as elements in the list. Okay. Print N. Print N. Okay. What is the N? First, suppose 0 will be 0 of the list. Jaya will be taken. So Jaya will be get printed. If N of 0 is what? Now currently what is N value? Jaya. N of 0 is what? J. Isn't it? J equal to T.
No, sir.
Condition false, isn't it? Then come to the break. Condition false means, so condition false means the break statement will not execute. Okay, come to the else part. Okay, what is the print? Finished. So what will be output? Jaya finished. Okay, then Ramya will be taken. Again loop. Okay, for loop. Okay, Ramya finished. Then Taruna, it will be taken as N value. N of 0 is what? T. T equal to T. Condition true. Condition true means break. The for loop will be executed. After completed the for loop, what is the statement is given here? Many of the students, they may done the mistake. They didn't see the last line. Okay, I'm not meaning you. Generally, I'm saying. Okay, then print got it. So what will be the output? Jaya finished, Ramya finished, Taruna got it. This is the output. You'd want to write in separate line. Jaya in first line, second line finished. Ramya in third line, fourth line finished. Okay, likewise. Taruna in what is the next line, and then got it in next line. Okay. Okay. Then if you see this, yeah, yes, Pa, yes.
Sir, break statement is inside if loops. If loops, no, sir.
No. Break statement may be in inside the if loop, where the if loop is there. Sorry, where the if condition is there.
For loop.
Actually, the index is correct only, Pa. Indentation is correct. It is in the break is where we can use the jump statement, that is break and continue statement inside the loop. Okay. So as per the syntax, it is inside the loop only. No, inside the for loop only. No. Okay, Pa. Good doubt. Okay. Let me see this this question. M question. A equal to advanced. Okay. For I in A. Okay. Print A of I. Can you say the answer? A equal to advanced. That is a string. Okay. For I in A. First, what will happen? I in A means which value will be taken?
A.
A will be taken. A will be assigned to I. Okay. Print of A of I. A of A. A of A is there. This is what will come. Index error. What type of error will come for M question? Index error. String data type we cannot take as a index. That is the thing, because A first advance is there. No, do you got it? First it will take the A. Okay, A will be assigned to I. Okay, then A of I values A only, no advance. Okay, A of A. What is in A of A? A should be actually print of I should be in integer. 0, 1 means then 0 values A, 1 values D. A of D is A of 1 is D. Likewise we can print. Okay, A of A means it shows the error. What type of error? Index error. Index should be in what? Index should be in what? Index should be in integer. Yeah, integer. Okay, that's a question. Okay, let you see this third question. You can see for I in range of 1, 7, 2. Okay, let you see this, and then inner loop also there for j in range of 3. Okay, print I, j. Let you see this. First, what will be taken? 1 will be assigned to I value. Then for j in range of 3. So 3 means inner loop will be taken 0, 1, 2. Right? 0, 1, 2 will be taken as a inner loop execution. What will be the first output? I, j means
1, 0.
Very nice, very nice. Well said, man. 1, 0. Then second thing, step value. Please
7,
listen.
1.
No. Second value is, please listen. Inner loop is not completed. Inner loop when will be
Okay,
completed? Yeah, please check it. 1, 0. Correct. Then second thing, 1, 1, 1, 2. Correct. Then second thing is what? Outer loop. It goes to the outer loop. Step value we given as 2. So okay, 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. Okay, then 3 plus 2, 5. 5, 0, 5, 1. Likewise it is goes. Okay, 5, 2. Then 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is in upper range. So that 7 will not execute. This is the output. 1, 2, 5. Have you understood, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you understood? No? Okay, good. Let you see this. Oh, it is an. Okay, let you see this one.